Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Bioscience with Shatrin Swati. And today I'm going to discuss about the mechanism of spermatogenesis and its hormonal control. Actually, I discussed in detail about the hormonal control, means testosterone production under the action of the most important hormone, luteinizing hormone, and other follicle stimulating hormone. And actually these hormones which are released from the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, discussed in detail in my previous, so you must visit to my first lecture related to the testosterone production, and you will know the mechanism of production of the testosterone. That is very interesting lecture about the production of the testosterone, because mostly students don't have an idea which hormones, endocrine hormone, mean the pituitary hormones releases, and how they control the testosterone and then the production of the sperm. So today I'm just going to discuss about the mechanism of spermatogenesis. Sperma, word for the sperm, and genesis means generation. So the spermatogenesis is the production of the sperm from the primordial germ cell. And one request to all of you, if you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly do subscribe, like and share. Okay, now spermatogenesis, which occur from the primordial germ cells, and these primordial germ cells, these are present here in the testes. Where they are present? They are present in the testes, and you can see here, I will show you the testes which contain the seminiferous tubules, and these seminiferous tubules which consist of the two type of the cells. Number one is the Leydig cell and the Sertoli cells, as you can see here in this figure on the right side. You can see this is the seminiferous tubule, which consists of the two types of the cell, Leydig cells and the Sertoli cells, which involve in the production of the hormone, as well as in the production, as well as in the growth and development of the sperm. And you can see here the spermatogonium. These spermatogonia, which are known as primordial germ cells. So this is overall structure. You can see these are the bundles of the seminiferous tubules inside the testes. So now what will happen? The spermatogenesis actually takes place in the Sertoli cells, but these Leydig cells produce the hormone testosterone, which move towards the Sertoli cells, and then what will happen? The spermatogonium undergo the division. So I will discuss all these step by step. First of all, you can see here the spermatogonia. I'm showing you this. These are the spermatogonia, and spermatogonia are also known as the primordial germ cells, and these are present inside the testes. So these spermatogonia undergo the first undergo the mitotic division, mitosis. So mitotic division, that in which the diploid number of chromosomes remain diploid, and the mitosis is actually responsible for increasing the number of the cells. So here spermatogonia undergo the mitosis to increase their number. So what will happen when the mitosis occurs and number of cells increases? Now these cells become mature and form the primary spermatocyte. Actually, students confused about the primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte is produced by mitosis or meiosis. So must keep it in your mind. First, spermatogonia undergo the mitosis, and what is the role of mitosis here? To increase the number of spermatogonia, primordial germ cells. Now what will happen after mitosis? These spermatogonia mature and means grow and develop and form the primary spermatocyte. So this is the primary spermatocyte, and this primary spermatocyte, must keep it in your mind, because these are produced as a result of the mitosis. So in mitosis, number of chromosomes remains same. So spermatogonia and the primary spermatocyte are diploid. These are diploid cells. Now this diploid cells, primary spermatocyte, undergo the first meiosis. This is the first meiosis, which is also known as first meiotic division. And you know that meiosis is meiosis, meum. The word meum means half. So in which what will happen? The diploid number of the chromosome reduced to haploid. Meiosis half. Meum, which means reduce. So the diploid number of the chromosome in the primary spermatocyte reduced to haploid, and one cell divided into two cells. You can see here, this is the 1 and this is the 2. Is it clear? So these two cells are with haploid number of, and these cells are known as secondary spermatocyte. Must keep it in your mind. This is very easy and very interesting, but you must know the mechanism. So this primary secondary spermatocyte now undergo the second meiotic division or meiosis. Now, what is the role of the second meiotic division? You know that this is just like the mitosis, because here the number of chromosome remain haploid. You can see here, these are the 4 cells produced as a result of the second meiotic division, but all these 4 cells contain haploid number of the chromosome. Is it clear? So what will happen? These 2 secondary spermatocytes form the 4 spermatids with haploid number of chromosome. So what is the role of second meiotic division? To increase the number of the cells. Here again. Now these 4 spermatids then converted into spermatozoa or sperms. You know that here the enzyme, hormones which are responsible for the conversion of the spermatids into spermatozoa. These are the follicle stimulating hormone, and the luteinizing hormone help in the production of the testosterone. Testosterone is responsible for the mechanism of spermatogenesis. And what is the role of the follicle stimulating hormone? Follicle stimulating hormone help in the formation of all these 4 spermatozoa, means sperms. So this is all about the mechanism of spermatogenesis, and I hope so the lecture will be clear upon you people. If you have any question, write in the comment box, and I will be back with my next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.